Hello, my name is Jeremy Duran. I'm here to show you guys my own LDR sensor circuit that I made with my own designing, with my own components I gathered, and here to give you guys show how it works physically and on paper with a thorough detail of how the circuit works and how each component has a role to play, like what role they play in for this circuit. And enough of it, and I'll show you guys how to do it. So first thing, gather the components. I gathered my LED light bulb, my resistor, my sensor, 9-volt battery, with along with a battery clip to plug it into this port right here of the power supply. So when everything's in, the power supply should be in. Everything looks good. So now let's begin. So first thing what I do is I want to get my LED bulb. Got the longest wire. This long, the long wire always has to be on the side, on the where it's gonna be connected over here on the positive side. So we're gonna do that right now. So once it's connected onto the positive, it could be connected anywhere else. I'll just put it right here. Okay. Once it's like that, okay, it's connected. Next, I want to gather my resistor. This will complete our circuit somewhat. So here, the resistor is going to be connected to ground, which is negative. So let's do that. Connect. Yeah, these are a little bit complicated. Okay, once it's connected to ground, it's going to be next thing is going to be connected as a series with the LD bulb. It should be in. Okay, once that's in, next thing you're gonna get the sensor. You guys can see it has like little lines on it. So this component is gonna be the one responsible for turning off the LED light bulb. And it's gonna be the one responsible to like shut off the resistance or keep the resistance going. So this one's gonna be connected to the positive as on the parallel. It's gonna be a parallel connection along with the LED bulb. So let's do that. You gotta always make sure it's connected correctly because if not, the bulb won't dim it. Okay, and this leg is gonna be connected between the LED bulb and the resistor. It's a little funky, but yeah. So it should look something like this. Once everything's connected, the last thing I want you to do is power up our circuit and see if it's a success or not. Oh, whoops, it came off. Yeah, these things tend to come off sometimes. I'm gonna straighten up the leg. There we go. This is the button to turn it on. So yeah, everything looks to be connected. I don't know if you guys can see. Everything's in. The circuit's complete. We're not so sure yet. So next thing you want to gather, you get your phone flashlight or whatever it is. So I'm gonna use a flashlight with phone. See if it works. Okay, right there you can see it. The light's off, and once I shine the light away, it emits back on. Try again. Off. On. So that's how so right now the sensor is getting the light. It's detecting light, and it stops the whole flow of the whole like the thing that's going on. So there's no like electricity going to the bulb, so it completely shuts it off. And like right here, you can see everything's off. Everything just stops completely. And once I get it back on, when I get it off, it turns back on. So here is the physical showcasing of my sensor. My sensor. See now, I'm gonna show you guys more of a thorough detail inside what's going on with paper. So here, I like to start off with with this side right here with the where the negative is and make its way to the positive. So let me show you guys that. So here I'm gonna draw my negative, and over here the positive. So right here, this is where the resistor is. So right here we're gonna begin, make a line, and here is where the resistor is. Boom. It's gonna make all the way its way to positive. But here, it's the connection because of the bulb right here. So the bulb maybe right here. Now you may be asking, what are the arrows for? Well, this is just for like to show like the light is just emitting light. It's just being emitted by the bulb. Okay, so here, this is our circuit right here. We complete the circuit. Right here, the sensor, bulb, negative to positive. So here we're gonna have the between component, which is the sensor. So the sensor is gonna be right here. The between component is gonna be right here. I believe this, yes, making sure it's the correct one. Okay, so this is the sensor here, the sensor symbol, and the arrows are going to be pointed downwards. This is the when the light is emitted onto it. This is where it's detecting light from the phone flashlight, and it's going to make its way back to the positive. So there, you can see it's complete. This is how it works. This is how my circuit looks inside of the breadboard. You can see right here, the negative step begins with here with the resistor, moves all the way over here, and then down up to the where the bulb is, and to the positive. And the one between those two is the sensor, and that's where it gets, detects the light, and works like just like magic. And yeah, that's my project for this LDR sensor circuit. And I appreciate you guys watching it, and thank you so much.